Okay, welcome to problem two. And problem two is a little bit similar, very similar to problem one in that I just reversed the bounds of integration. So now we're going to integrate with respect to y first. So for integrating with respect to y first, we're going to hold x constant. So now we pull out the x, and this is the same integral. Now the y squared is in there. Also, notice how the bounds also change with respect to the little differentials over here. So as I was saying, you pull out the x, and now the y squared stays in there, dy dx. And I integrate this inner integral first, so if that makes it easier to see. Right, so now I get the integral 0 to 1 of x times y plus 1 over 2 plus 1, so y cubed over 3. This is evaluated from the bounds from the inner integral, 0 to 2, dy, oh, sorry, no, dx. This is just the dx. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to evaluate, because we just integrated with respect to y, the bounds are going to get plugged into where the y is, right? So now this becomes the integral from 0 to 1 of, I put the 2 into the y, so 8 cubed over 3. Oh, no, 2 cubed over 3, which is 8x over 3 minus a 0, because the 0 just put it into y cubed, it's just a 0. And then this is with respect to x now, we're with respect to x. Now I can pull out the 8 over 3, and I integrate from 0 to integrate x over 0 to 1, right? So now this just becomes, if you remember your reverse power rule, x squared over 2 evaluated from 1 to 0. And we just integrate with respect to x. And I mean, this is the only variable in here. But yeah, so now that's going to go into where the x is. So now we get 8 equals 8 over 3 times 1 cubed over 2 minus, this just becomes a 0, which gives you 8 over 3 times 1 over 2. And you can see where this is heading. This is a 4, this is a 3, which gives you 4 over 3, which is the same answer that we would have got if we would have integrated with respect to x first. So yeah, I hope this is a good intuitive proof of Fubini's theorem, in that you can integrate with respect to y first or with respect to x first. It's regardless, whichever makes your life easier. In this case, I just wanted to show you that you get the same answer. Okay, hope that helps.